Question number 35. Thorium is an unstable nuclide. Okay, it emits decays by emitting an alpha particle followed by a beta minus particle. Remember, there are two particles emitted first, and it happens one reaction after other reaction. Okay, so that you have to take care. Now towards it. Now first, let me write down the equations. Without writing down the equations, don't solve any of these problems. Okay, very important. So now we have 90 thorium 232. This is what I have. The first time, let us say it emits an alpha particle. When I say it emits an alpha particle, put it like this. Don't put the alpha here. Okay, you will not get the balancing properly. The 2He4 plus, let us say X is being formed. Okay, I do not know what is this value, this element. So here it should be 88 and this should be 228 over here. And after this, what happens? It's followed by a beta minus particle. So it should be minus 1 E0 plus Y. When I write Y here, so if this, see, you should not consider this one now. So I should say that this element has disintegrated or decayed into this one here. So now if it is 88 here, this should be 89 over here. And this is 0, this is 228, this should be 228. Probably you should also write mu E bar over here. Okay, anyway, this does not contribute anything. So for this particular problem, so 89 and 228 is your answer. So definitely these two are wrong. Okay, so one of these should be right. Now you want number of neutrons. What is this? Protons plus neutrons over here, right? So I will write 228 minus 89 is equal to 18 minus 9 is 9, then 11 minus 8 is 3. This is 139. 139 and the is 0.